Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to check the available credit on your credit score. So to check the credit on your credit score, to check your information on the Capital One credit card, you just have to follow the steps. So you can check your credit balance or your credit card balance through your Capital One online account or by using your Capital One mobile banking app. All you have to do is go ahead and enter in your information, that is your username and then a password, log in into your account. As soon as you're logged in on the home page, you'll be able to see your balance on the display. And likewise, the other way to check your balance or the card balance include contacting Capital One by the phone number that has been mentioned on the card or on the website itself and texting the virtual assistant, just providing the information and you should be able to see your balance. So by following this step, you should be able to check the available balance or available credit on your Capital One credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.